Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I'm an eBay reseller, and I also sell on my YouTube channel more and more, which I love. And mostly what I do is unboxings of ThredUp boxes. So sometimes designer, sometimes shoes, sometimes other boxes, fun boxes, and others too. I'm always on the hunt for a Louis Vuitton box because that is how I got my start on YouTube. That was the first thing I opened. First or second. It was one of the first things I opened at least. But they don't come available very often, and I've always got my eyes peeled for them. So that is my absolute favorite one. All right, but today we are doing a DIY designer box. Usually I don't do 2 weeks in a row with the designer box, but I got this. I'm going to tell you why I'm doing it, and that is because I got this box. It's huge, and it's because it's a big box. I think it's going to be better. So now, is that true? That is not always true, but you know, sometimes it is. So it's just been sitting there going, hey, can you open me? So I'm going to open it now. But first, I'm wearing my new Phi 2 glasses, which I am still loving, by the way, that I did the unboxing for a few weeks ago. I've got this bracelet on. I don't remember where I got this bracelet. I think it was a thrift store. I think it was either a thrift store or I got it in one of my boxes. I don't really know. They kind of all meld together after a while. And this gem that I got at TJ Maxx. You know what? TJ Maxx, sometimes they'll have items that are just amazing. And this is one of those times. Like I'm going to put this down a little bit. I absolutely love this necklace. I think it's so sparkly and I just love it. So, all right, let's get to the designer box. All right, so as you probably know, it's going to be 7 pieces for $140. And yeah, so with me, I don't pay any tax, but I do pay shipping, so it's $150. It comes out to about $22 per item. So I'm putting this box over on the side. Now, I'm going to actually show a first peek. So I'm putting it over to the side to unbox, though, because it's one of the bigger boxes. So hence the reason my curiosity is getting the best of me. All right, so we have got the box, and it says DIY, designer DIY. I love designer boxes. Some are great, but a lot of them are great, especially in the last 5 months. They've been good. All right, that doesn't tell you anything at all. Oh my gosh. Look at this. You see what I see. It's not even Christmas and I'm singing that song. Okay, you see what I see? Yes, you see Prada, just like I do. Gosh, okay, I'm excited. That's probably why I got the big box. All right, so the first thing is this, I guess, this is the Prada dust bag for that. This is the bag for that Prada bag that I assume is Prada. The dust bag definitely is. Okay, so here is the bag. It is dirty on the outside. Oh, it even comes with the original card. Look at this. What does it say? Yeah, okay, it gives the number and everything. And here's the thing about this item. You might be thinking, oh, it's all dirty. Yeah, it is all dirty. It has to be cleaned. But I don't mind, and you know what? I can get this pretty clean. I have the process pretty well done. The inside is pretty clean. This does kind of look like a vintage bag. And so here I'm going to show you. This is wonderful to me. As long as, you know, if things are broken like zippers and hardware is broken off like that, that's harder to fix. But this, you know, look at this. It's pretty good. So it is dirty. I think you can see, like right down here, it's dirty. It is, but I think I can get most of this off. I can get this thing looking really nice. There's the logo at the side. So I am so stinking excited about this bag. Yay! All right, I am super excited about this bag, honestly. I can get this for the most part clean. By the way, another thing that's really hard to clean is the inside of a purse. And because it's hard to get your tools in there, it's hard to get the things in there that you need. Plus, if you get the inside of the bag wet, you don't want to get the leather wet because then that's a whole nother set of problems. If there's dye in the leather, that can leak if it gets really wet. So, and you don't want to get clean. So anyway, it's hard to clean the inside of a purse for the most part. So I'm excited about this one. The problem is at the outside of the purse, and it is dirty, and plus it comes with a card and a bag. I don't care. Whatever I get after this, I mean, I hope it's all good. Don't get me wrong. But whatever I get after this, oh my gosh, I'm okay with. Please let it be. Oh my God, it's too small for me. I love Etro, and I love all their colorful patterns. So we've got a cute Etro shirt. And of course, they're paisley, and it's purple and green, kind of, and red, which I love those color combos. I don't see what's wrong with this. It's a size 40, so that's like what, a size 6, I believe, in US sizes. Offhand, I don't see anything wrong with it. I'm going to show you the tag right here. There's the tag, Etro Milano, and there's the size tag. And then here is the back of it. I really don't see, I mean, it's, okay, let's see. The sleeves are good. Got all the buttons needed. Actually, this doesn't even look like it was worn, so I'm trying to figure out what the deal is, why it's in here. I don't know. I don't see any stains. In fact, I would almost venture a guess that it has never been worn before. That's how nice it is. That is a gorgeous shirt. I'm just bummed it's not my size because I love Etro. I love Etro's patterns and shirts. Okay. Okie dokie. Next up. Oh my gosh. Woo! This is a good bag. I'm having a good day. A good box, I mean. Good box. Okay. What do we have now? What does this say? I can't read the tag. So, okay. Here's the shirt. It's adorable. It is absolutely adorable. It looks like a wool blend. As for material, oh, Burberry. Okay, it's Burberry. The tag up above has gotten, the writing has gotten worn off a bit. So, okay, what is the material on this thing? Let's see. It's made in Italy. I'm gonna have to look and see. It's the extra fine merino wool. I was gonna guess wool or wool blend, but extra fine merino wool. And the size is medium. It's a size medium. Okay, this shirt is ridiculously gorgeous. I'm not kidding you when I say, just this morning at the Real, I was looking at a shirt like this going, ooh, that's really cute. I think I can see what's wrong with it. There's a little tiny hole. There's 2 little tiny holes. I would not be worried about those holes because, oh, there's a 3rd. So there's several holes. There's a 4th. Okay, there's tiny holes in this item. I don't know what I can do about it. It's a beautiful, beautiful shirt. It's merino. It's extra fine merino wool. I mean, look at the back of this thing. It's just gorgeous, and it's so soft, and I can tell that this part would hold you in right where you want it. So if you're clever, you could stitch it up. I really don't think if you were wearing this shirt, I can't imagine it would be too visible, but anyway, I'm going to see what I can do about repairing it, or I'm going to put it on the mannequin and see how it looks. So I don't care. I'm happy. I'm happy so far, and I'm happy with the rest of things. There's another item. Not this one, but the next one. Wait till you see it. Okay. Marc Jacobs, size 10. Oh, gosh. Oh, look at this. This is why the box was so big. This is wool, by the way. And this is a size 10, and it's a Marc Jacobs. And then it's got this beautiful, okay, it's heather gray. And by the way, it's a dress. And so here's the bottom of it. I think it's either knee length. It's probably a knee length or a midi. Knee length, I believe. So I'll put that on the mannequin, but here's the best part. The whole front, it clasps up with this kind of clasp. Almost like a corset kind of thing. There's a tiny bit of pilling, but I don't see anything too remarkable other than that. Marc Jacobs is, oh, it looks like it might have been hemmed. Maybe that's what's, or is that just part of it? I don't know. I'm going to have to look it up, do a Google image search and see what's, see another one like it, but I don't see anything wrong with this item. I'll have to look, something I always do off camera is look inside to make sure there's no, I know this is gross, but pit stains and things like that, you don't want to sell that to somebody if it has pit stains. So, I don't know. This is good. It looks like, I bet it was really expensive. I bet it wasn't less than $1,000 when it was brand new. So, a couple more things left. Do I do that one next or do I do this one next? Let's see. Okay. Proenza Schouler. I've never gotten an item by this brand. Oh gosh, I can tell this is a nice one. It's a size, what is the size? This is so gorgeous. Proenza Schouler, white label. Ooh. I think that looks, okay, it smells good. I don't know if that's the detergent or what. It's like a turtleneck top, and it's a beautiful, beautiful dress. It feels like silk to me. It goes down at the bottom. It must be an A-line dress. I don't know, what did I say? Did I say what size it was? I have the memory of a flea today, I guess. Oh my gosh, if this is my size. I don't know, turtlenecks are a little too hot for me though. All right, we're gonna go like this, and I'm gonna show you the tag. Proenza Schouler, white label. I don't see anything wrong with this offhand. It's real stretchy. I also don't see the size, but I'm gonna go down below and look at the tag in here, and hopefully I'll get some more info. But it's not looking so good. Okay, I know exactly what is wrong with this item. It's the perfume smell. Now that I opened it up, it's very perfumey. So I've gotten dresses before that smell like perfume. I have ways of doing delicate washing where the item will be just fine. And so I'm gonna get that smell out, and I'm gonna sell this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And by the way, it's a maxi A-line dress. It's an ankle length. I just can't figure out what size it is. So again, I'll put it on the mannequin, and I'll look a little bit harder off camera to see if I can find the tag, the size tag. Otherwise, I'll just do measurements, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I don't mind getting that smell out of there. Use a little bit of gentle cleaner and get that out of there, and hand soak it and dry it, and it'll be just perfect. Okay, 2 things left. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my, I'm having a really good day all of a sudden. I mean, I already was, to be honest with you, but it's gotten a lot better right now. The last 2 Gucci items I got had things that I just couldn't fix. I still need to dye the one shirt that had, and I'm getting the leather item cleaned that I had at the cleaner. So anyway, here is this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous Gucci shirt. Oh my gosh, it's a size 42, and it is so beautiful. There's got to be something wrong with it though, because they don't just put these in here for any old reason. I don't see what's wrong with it. It's a silk shirt, I'm pretty sure. Okay, there's the front. I don't see any holes. I don't see anything like that. I don't see so a couple of the ones I got were either really stained or they had part of the color had rubbed off. Okay, so this is a beautiful shirt. It's in a mauve color. I can't even get over how beautiful this is. There has to be something wrong with it, but it might take, me putting it on the mannequin to see. What's wrong with it? I don't know. It's got a ruffle sleeve. Oh my God. It is so beautiful. It's just, okay. I'm excited about this one. Not that you could tell, right? It's got these clasps. Maybe one of them is broken. I don't know. But I'm gonna have to put it in the mannequin and see. I'm certain there must be something, right? There must be something. But, oh my gosh, are you kidding? Woo! I'm super happy about that. And the last item is wonderful as well. I'm super excited about this too. It is a Golden Goose scarf. It's a silk scarf by Golden Goose. I can already see there's a few minor holes in it. I don't see anything big though. I don't see any giant holes in it. And here it is, Golden Goose, made in Italy. So you can kind of see the holes, like right. You can kind of see them here. Right? You can see them along there. So there are some holes, but as the most part, if you were wearing it, I don't think it would be a big problem. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't even believe this box. I just have to go through it one more time. Okay, I have to show you one more time this beautiful Golden Goose scarf. I am not convinced I'm going to be selling that. I'm going to wash that and probably keep it. It's just beautiful. All right. This Gucci shirt. I just cannot believe how beautiful that is. That is so pretty. It's like a mauve color. I'm going to just show you the color up close. It matches my lipstick. almost matches my lipstick. We've got the Proenza Schouler, beautiful, which I think is silk blend dress, turtleneck silk blend dress. Don't know the size on that one yet. We have got the Marc Jacobs wool dress, like knee-length dress with kind of like the corset front. Beautiful. This might be the best box I ever got, honestly. I can't remember a box this good. I mean, it is really good. There's not a single piece in here that I'm disappointed with. We've got the Burberry shirt. Okay, there's some holes in it. Could probably mend that, maybe. And we've got the Etro token paisley shirt, of course. That's the Etro trademark, isn't it? They're paisley. And then last but absolutely not least, probably the best piece of all is this vintage Prada purse. You know what? I might do a whole video about cleaning this purse. I don't know. We'll see. I'm so stoked about this purse. I can hardly stand it. The whole box, I'm having a good day. All right. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think below. I think the last couple designer boxes I've gotten have been great. I've been super happy with them. I'm not stopping anytime soon with these designer boxes. So, and also I do have a wonderful event that I'm going to be in. It's a collaboration for it's for St. Patrick's Day. It is the Fun Box Crawl with Lindsay Clark is organizing it. It's the 3rd annual one. And there's 18, I think there's now 17 creators. One person had to drop out, but that is going to be, I believe it's on March 16th. So anyway, stay tuned. We'll be putting that agenda out there sometime soon. And thank you so much for watching. By the way, if you're interested in buying any of these items, mystepstyle@gmail.com is where you would want to email, and then I will send you an invoice. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day.